Hey guys, we are working on the FJ a little bit today. We're getting ready to go on a trip from our location, New York, upstate New York, down to probably West Virginia area. Find some trails, hike a lot through the forest. We'll definitely be posting up some video. We're bringing the drone with us, so we're going to have a lot of cool footage like that out on the trails. Today I'm just fixing up these brakes. I found out they've lasted me 105,000 miles. And they finally have a little bit of a warp to them, so I got a little bit of shake in the wheel when I'm hitting the brakes. So we're finally changing these out. They've lasted super long, which is awesome. So we're also just greasing up any last things, filling everything up to the top, making sure we're all ready. We're going to do a bunch of miles on this trip. We got our trailer ready to go. I was just packing that up earlier today too. Just loading everything in the back, all our supplies, camping stuff, cooking stuff, tools, bringing as many tools as I could possibly think of, because you never know. You never know what you're going to run into. I got a spare wheel bearing for this trailer just in case. Even though everything's brand new, you're better off having more parts than you need. We have our mattress installed. So that's pretty cool. It's actually really comfy. It's just 4 inches of memory foam that I cut to size. It's actually the exact length of a full mattress. Just had to cut the sides a little bit off. That's this piece right here. So not much. It's actually really cozy. We hopped in there just to make sure we had enough room, and it's actually quite cozy. So yeah, guys, keep checking out our channel. We're going to be posting a lot of videos on this trip. We're bringing the drone. I don't know if I mentioned that already. I think I did. So it's going to be a lot of awesome footage this time around. We're going to be able to get a lot of cool shots, and I think that's it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.